Myself, Dr. Kripa Bajaj. I'm a consultant medical oncologist at KIMS Hospital, Hyderabad. I'm here to discuss on the occasion of World No Tobacco Day. 31st May, we do celebrate World No Tobacco Day because tobacco is the major reason for the self-inflicted harm by all of the people in the world. So tobacco consumption, be it smoking or be it chewing, that will lead to cancers. In females and males, most commonly what we do often see and come across regarding tobacco consumption population is head and neck cancers as well as lung cancer. The aerodigestive system will get exposed to the tobacco, that will have a lot of inflammation and that will lead to cancers. So in India, a lot of head and neck cancers and lung cancer incidence is prevalent because of the tobacco consumption. In females, because of the smoking and tobacco, the breast cancer incidence has significantly increased recently, as well as some female genital tract incidence of cancer also got increased. So, this occasion, I want to spread awareness regarding no tobacco. Please don't consume tobacco and please stop prevalence of cancers because of the self-inflicted harm. So what we usually do, for suppose already you are a person who are consuming tobacco or who are significantly exposed to smoking, be it a passive smoker as well, or you are a person like who are having a lot of relatives consuming tobacco, what suggestion you will give to them regarding cancer screening? So usually we do follow screening methods for lung cancer as well as head and neck cancers for people who are smoking. Usually the smokers will have a precancerous lesions in oral cavity, means some whitish discoloration or some reddish discoloration which is persistent. These are called as precancerous lesions or pre-malignant lesions that may lead to cancer eventually. If any of your person got some white discoloration persistently or red discoloration persistently, you have to get checked by the physician regularly on a frequent basis as per the extent of the grade of this discoloration. We usually call as leukoplakia and erythroplakia. If ever you're a smoker who is having a cough or who are not having cough also, the screening procedure has to be followed with low dose CT scan ideally. In our country, if we feel that low dose CT scan is a financial burden, we do suggest getting chest x-rays done once in 6 monthly basis. So there we will find a solitary nodules which can be picked up really well. So if you are a tobacco consumer or you are significant exposure to passive smoking also, please get yourself screened regarding lung cancer as well as head and neck cancer. For head and neck cancer, simple examination by a physician. For lung cancer, low dose CT scan or chest X-ray as per the financial status. With this, I explain all the audience that please refrain yourself from tobacco consumption. If you're really addicted to tobacco in the form of chewing or smoking, so we do have a helpline centers across the country. Please consult the psychiatrist or de-addiction centers. The chewing gum is there as well as some alternative the mint kind of chewers are there. Chewing gums are there as well patches are there. Nicotine patches are there which you can use it. By using that, you'll have a regular basis of nicotine levels in the body, which will make you less craving for nicotine consumption. Please use this and help yourselves by using these patches as well as gums. If any help required, you can meet us or you can contact us. We will direct you to the respective de-addiction centers.